Junks are sturdy, man. Cushion. That, man, whatever this material is, bro. I need the formula because these Junks is bouncy like.
Come get some. I'm fast as fuck. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast.
What's in the fucking box?
Frosted Flakes, nigga, damn.
Clean, smooth, man. No different than any other Yeezy Slide. Like in terms of, you know, sole and how it's built, but colorway, even the colorway, it's a little similar to the Sands or Pures, whichever one the Yeezy Slide is. Like super similar, but I see what where they're going with the calm colors, like bright yet calm. Let's try these bad boys on. These are 12 for me. True to size, man. I get the slides true to size, foams one size up, just because, you know, that different head on there, that different toe part. But yeah, man, these Jones is comfortable, super bouncy. That it's like a shade of green, but it's like a light green, man. But nonetheless, Jones is comfortable, bro. Might be the most comfortable slipper or slide I've ever had. Yeezys, man. They got the formula cracked. These Jones is super bouncy.